Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix crouching problem in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, the first way to fix accidentally crouching is to adjust your controls. So to do that, open your Call of Duty Mobile and play your game. Then in here, go to your settings, then select controls. Reduce the size of your joystick to make it less sensitive to movement. This will help you avoid accidentally crouching when you're trying to move. Increase the movement speed to make it easier to move around the map. So as you can see in this video, by adjusting your controls, you can make it less likely that you accidentally crouch when you don't want to. Other way is to enable the slide hint option. To do that, go to your settings, then select basic. So in the basic tab, scroll down until you see slide hint option. So enable slide hint option. Then save changes. As you can see, enabling the slide hint option will provide you with a visual cue whenever you can perform a slide. This can help you avoid accidentally crouching when you're trying to slide. This method is simpler than the first, as it does require you to adjust any of your controls. Instead, it provides you with a helpful hint that lets you know when you can slide. And that's how to fix crouching problem in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!